Waters part and walls fall. Moses sent 12 spies into the promised land. 10 of them said, "We will never defeat the people there." But Joshua and Caleb said, "With God's help, we can do it." Frightened, the people believed the 10 spies. God said, "While your children with Joshua and Caleb will enter the promised land." So after 40 years in the desert, it was time. Joshua sent 2 spies into Jericho. They meet a woman called Rahab, who hid them and helped them escape down the wall. They promised to spare her and her family. The Israelites crossed the Jordan River. The priests went first, carrying the Ark of the Covenant. When their feet touched the river, it stopped flowing. Everyone crossed on dry land. Jericho was next. The Lord told Joshua, "For 6 days, march once around Jericho. Then on day 7, march around 7 times. Blow trumpets, shout. The walls will fall down." Joshua trusted God. He did what the Lord said, and the walls fell down. They took the city. Rahab was spared. God's people began to take the promised land. Because Joshua trusted and obeyed God, the walls of Jericho fell down.